One of the key to a more enjoyable retirement isn't just about the things you should do, but about the things you should stop doing. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 6 awful habits the happiest retirees let go of, and why making these changes may be the best gift you can give to your future self. If you are closing in on retirement, or if you've been retired for a couple of years and wondering how to make the most of this next chapter of your life, then this video is for you. If we haven't met before, hi, my name is JP Geisbauer, founder of Centerpoint Financial Management. I'm a certified financial planner professional, a certified public accountant, and this channel is dedicated to helping diligent savers maximize their lives and minimize taxes as they transition into retirement. So let's explore the habits and mindsets that the happiest retirees have left behind and how you can do the same to transform your retirement. Number 1, stop taking time for granted. Biology wins 100% of the time, and as you age, things will simply get harder. Don't take time for granted. If there are things you want to do and places you want to visit, book them today. Things will only get harder as you get older. Change the "I'll do it tomorrow" to "no day like today." As we get older, our wealth may continue to grow, but our health and energy often decline. So instead of postponing joy for someday, happy retirees prioritize meaningful experiences now. Number 2, stop saving just to save. Many financially successful retirees have a scarcity mindset. It's a major reason why they've been able to save so much over their lifetime. But at some point in time, you've just got to stop saving just to save. Let's face it, if you don't fly first class, your kids probably will. So stop saving just to save and go live the heck out of your life. Number 3, stop worrying so much. Chances are the global crises that seem to be happening almost daily these days likely actually have little effect on your day-to-day life. But keeping you glued to the TV or doom scrolling on your phone sure does. If you find the daily deluge of news too much, turn off the TV and stay away from social media. In this day and age, outrage breeds engagement, and engagement brings ad revenue. So turn off your social media and stop worrying so much. There is a great quote by Alan Watts: "No amount of anxiety makes any difference to anything that is going to happen." You can't control the stock market, inflation, elections, political turmoil, or the price of eggs. But you can create a retirement plan, and having a plan will give you confidence. Let me take this opportunity to say, I create new videos weekly, so if you enjoyed this content, please hit like and subscribe, and you'll be notified when the new videos are released. Number 4, stop spending time with people that suck. Have you ever finished talking with someone and afterwards you just felt exhausted? If so, stop spending time with that person. Don't waste the remaining years of your life on people who drain your energy. Seek conversation, friendship, and fellowship, and stay away from the people that just suck. You know the type. Someone who constantly complains, criticizes, or zaps your energy. I get it. Sometimes it's a family member, which makes dealing with it that much harder. Happy retirees set boundaries and protect their peace. Number 5, stop living with regret. We've all made mistakes in the past. If you have the ability to make amends, then do it. But if you don't, then make amends to yourself. Life is short. Don't spend any more time thinking about the coulda, shoulda, and would have beens. Focus on the here and now and be your best self and make the most out of the time you have remaining. Number 6, stop guessing. I heard a great quote a few days ago. Strategic planning is the roadmap that turns anxiety into assurance. Take the time to create a retirement plan that addresses all of your concerns. It's so rewarding to see people who were once apprehensive, if not scared, about their retirement, gain clarity and confidence once they have a plan in place. Will a plan fix all of your problems? No, but it will give you a framework for addressing the problems and finding the best solution to those problems. So stop guessing and get to planning. The transition into retirement may just be the biggest of your life. Use this transition to become your best self by stopping behaviors that may cause you stress and discomfort in retirement. By changing your attitude and outlook, you can make your retirement years the best years of your life. Don't continue behaviors that will destroy your happiness. If you want to stop guessing and start working on your plan, I did another video on the 7 questions a comprehensive retirement plan should address. If you want to start working on your plan, this is the video for you. You can find a link to that video here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.